Show you something that we had done, but I finally had the interior done. A real good guy does interior work with us, and he did all the interior work on this, so we're going to take you in and show you. So now we had picked up some aftermarket door panels for this car, front seat covers, rear seat covers, the padding for the front seats and for the rear seat, headliner. The original sail panels are still there with the car, and we didn't have any windlays. So ultimately we had all that stuff, and actually I'm really embarrassed to say, but we had it sitting around for a long time. Anyway, it's good now. It looks fantastic. So I'm gonna take you guys in, take a look, see what you think. So here you have the new front seat. And over there you can see the new door panel, which looks fantastic. The black dash. This black door panel, we'll pop this door open here. Oh, the dome light. Yes. So you can see the door panels here. It turns out really nice. All nice new carpet on the bottom. We got to go ahead and paint the screw heads yet on the door panels, but it turned out nice. And the best part is, look at this. Oh boy. Black sun visors and a black headliner. And he did such a great job on the headliners. There's no wrinkles, no curls, no bows, you know, or wrinkles in the back of the headliners. There are always wrinkles back there for Chevelles. He did the sail panels too. He recovered the original sail panels. Was able to put those back in the car. Recovered the back seat. But it's nice to have the black headliner in it now. The nice new door panels on it, all new windlace. Very cool. So here's a little bit of a look from the driver's side. So that's a big fat check off that list. Interior all set and good to go on the 72 Monte. There you have it, little update on the Monte and the interior. So what do you guys think of the new interior on the 72 Monte? Make sure you drop a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you, we appreciate that. We'll see you in the next video, guys. We're gonna get back to work.